Hello everyone. Today we will explain a very simple website that uses artificial intelligence to convert text into high-quality videos without any watermark. As you can see, this video was created using the website we are introducing today. The videos made on this platform can be shared across all platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and more. If you want to create a video like this, follow the steps to the end. Here is the interface of the website we will explain, called VidWiz. It specializes in creating viral videos on all platforms, helping you earn money. The interface of the site provides excellent, high-quality results. Now, let's begin by registering on the website. Click on Sign In. There are two ways to register, either through Gmail or by creating an account directly on the website. Choose the method that works for you. I will register using Gmail. This is the home page of the site, and it looks simple. In this section, you can choose a title for the topic you want. The site also offers many topics for creating videos, such as historical stories, ghost stories, scientific facts, romantic tales, car stories, and more. Select the topic you want, and the website will generate a unique story for you. For example, I'll choose ancient history stories. This is the title the website suggested for me. Let's continue. If you want to add your own images to the story, you can do so. This step is optional. I prefer to let the AI create the images for me. Here you can choose the size of the video you want to create. Options include sizes for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. You can also select the voice for the story, or let the AI choose for you. I'll try Adam's voice.
Our distrust is very expensive.
As it sounds very unique. Next, you can select the language for the video. All languages are available, but I'll keep it in English. You can also enable or disable transition sounds in the video. I'll keep them enabled. The short video duration is set to 45 seconds by default. Here, you can choose the thumbnail style for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. I'll choose TikTok. Finally, click on Save and Create Video and wait for the video to be produced. The website provides a catchy title for the story to use when publishing, as well as a description and hashtags for the video. It also generates the complete script of the story. Wait a few minutes for the video to finish processing. Once it's done, here's the result. The site allows you to edit the video settings. You can add or remove any image from a scene, adjust the narrator's voice, and even remove or add background music. You can also modify the transition sounds used in the video. After making any desired changes, you can publish the video directly to TikTok or YouTube or download it to your device. I'll download the video to my device. Let's check out the final result.
Did you know the Whiskey Rebellion almost brought down Washington's presidency? Back in 1794, farmers were fed up. Their whiskey was being taxed heavily by the newly formed U.S. government. Enter General David Bradford, a fiery leader determined to fight back. Tensions boiled over in Pennsylvania, where Bradford rallied support and even torched tax collectors' homes. But here's the twist. Washington himself led an army of 13,000 troops to quell the uprising, proving federal authority could stand firm. The farmers' revolt fizzled, but the event etched a crucial legacy in U.S. history: the power of federal law. This hidden gem reshaped America's future.
The video quality, including the visuals, sound, and transitions, is excellent and completely watermark-free. Finally, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed exploring this website. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your feedback in the comments so we can continue creating more content. Thank you, and goodbye.